Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. We got another quick video for you today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to scan to user box. So I'll show you how to create the user box and then scan to it and then retrieve the document. So just go ahead and press menu, utility at the bottom, one touch, create user box, and then public personal user box at the top. Now at the bottom, select new and click on user box name and just set it to whatever name you want to be. I'm just going to select scans. You can set a password if you want, and then under index it'll be where it shows up. Mine's is scan, so it's going to be under S there, and I want it to be public, and this is just showing when do you want the document to delete. Some other settings you can leave it on the default if you would like, and just press OK when you're done. As you can see there, now we have a public user box that we can scan to. So I'm gonna back the camera up a little bit here. Don't mind my mess. So I have a document in the feeder. Let me show you this, one of our refurbished checklist documents. So I'm gonna throw that in the feeder. Hit menu, scan fax. Now let me check if it shows up here in the address book. I don't see it there. Let's just go to direct input and then user box, and then just select user box there on the right hand side and scans right there. So you'll see your public user box is scans. So now that that's set, let me zoom in here. Give me a second here. I just want to show you the screen of the options. You have your typical options that are available, your simplex duplex, your DPI settings. You can set those to whatever you want. Your color settings, auto color, full color, grayscale, black and white. Let me set this on color. PDF, it allows you to do TIFF, XPS, PPTX, compact PDF. Your scan size, that'll be the size of the original, and then you have your file name if you want to change the name. I'm just going to leave everything on default. So now you can just I'm going to zoom out here. Now that everything's in, what you want to do is just hit start. It's as simple as that. Just like that. Now what that does is, now that just scanned to your user box, which is on the hard drive of the copier. So after that's already in place, what you're going to want to do is grab the IP address of your machine, like I just did. So you can see the IP address is 192.168.2.22. You can also get it one other way. I'm going to show you how to print it. So menu, utility, user settings, printer settings, print report, configuration, and then hit start. So this is going to print out your configuration sheet, and it'll also have your IP address on there. You need your IP address to retrieve the document, so that's why you want to have that. Alright, now that we got our IP address, head on over to a PC or a Mac and just load up your web page. Now put the IP address in the browser search bar at the top, and wait for it to load. And you don't even need to log in for this. So just like that, just swing over, click the box button, and then right at the bottom where you see scans, click on that, and there you go. You can see a little thumbnail there with the document that I have scanned, the document name. You have some options here like print. You can print the document directly. You can net send the document. You can download the document. You can do a file copy, and then you can delete the document. So those are all the options you have right there. Let me just click on it and see what options I have here, if there's anything. Okay, that just gives you a little bit more information of the file when you click on it. So I'm just going to hit OK so I can go backwards. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the document so that I have it. So just click the file download button you see there. Alright, now it gives me my options, full color. Just hit OK. and now it's exporting. So in a second it's going to pop up and allow me to download it, and you can hit the download button just like that. And I'm just going to save the file and then hit OK. Alright, and now I have the file on my computer in color just like that. I know it's a couple clicks of the mouse, but it's not too bad. Now let me show you how to delete the document. I'm just going to select it here and just click on delete, and then select OK, and the file has been deleted. So that's it, you guys, on today's video. How to scan to a user box or how to scan to hard drive, pretty much the same thing on a Konica copier. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.